Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install the DigitalAlb application on your Hisense Smart TV. This is very easy. If you find it helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, share for more important videos like this. So here's my Hisense Smart TV here, and yours should look the same. So what you have to do is to search for your app store, which is mine here, and it should all look the same because all Hisense Smart TVs have the same app store. So what you do once you go over to your app store is you go over to the search button and just type in DigitalAlb. So let me just type in the application. Please, this could take a while. So it's digital. Just follow me attentively. I'll try to type as fast as I can. But typing on TV is one of the most difficult things I do. So DigitalAlb. I'm just going to type digital and then we'll see if we're going to get a suggestion. So if I search that and then we can, okay, here's the application I'm looking for, DigitalAlb. So click on it once and it's going to bring you to the installation page where you can click on install and get the application. So here's it, just click install and then the application is installed. Now you can choose where to place it and then you are good to go and you can go ahead and launch it on your Hisense Smart TV. And that's how to install and launch the application. Very easy. Find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.